Okay, today's video we're going to show you something interesting that happened. So we arrived at work on Monday morning, came through the front door and something just didn't look right. There was like a lot of stuff on the floor, and yeah, it appears the shop caught fire on the weekend. We don't know how, we don't know where, but we're waiting for them to come and investigate and let us know what's happening. But let me take you through. You can see the chaos, see the destruction, and see why I look like a fucking maniac today. That I look like. So as you can see, all the blackness here, how dirty everything is up there. Look on top of the trucks. Check the walls. See what my flag looks like. As you can see, covered in rubber because 5 tires burnt at least. So everything is covered in black. Floor, whole floor everywhere. It's just a thick layer. Bathrooms. They even made like rubber spider webs everywhere. So as you can see, it's been an eventful Monday for us. We don't know yet what caused the fire, so we're waiting for them to determine that. Already started cleaning a little bit because we were walking everywhere. So our new spray booth covered in rubber everywhere. This side down here where the fire was, you can see, look how black it is up there. So yeah, so basically the Gladiator we just finished painting, she caught fire. The whole rear of her, which bled onto the Bronco, which is unfortunate. And the Bronco doesn't even have a motor in or anything, and as you can see, yeah, went onto the Apache. She got burnt, melted some stuff on her, melted stuff there, table burnt, all the grill shells are melted from the Fords. Yeah, the Bronco's taillights are melted out, steering columns are melted from the Chevys. All my carburetors just melted down. There was a box of carburetors here. They all melted down into puddles of metal here on the floor. Check that. So now I've got to order a new bonnet, new fenders, new dash, new cluster, new steering column for this Bronco, door panels, everything else that was lost in the fire. And then yeah, you can see the shop is pretty damaged. They have to come change the roof, the skylights. They got to come clean the whole thing, wash the whole thing. But overall, pretty sad day here for us. So we're going to be closed for like a week or so while we try to sort through this mess and get everything cleaned, get all the customers' parts back that they need, get all their trucks back up to standard. And yes, keep you posted, keep you posted. So yeah, it's day 4 after the fire. I'm trying to see if I can find my selfie stick here. As you can see, our lights are on and it's still so dark because everything's black. Try to clean the walls up a bit, but then they told us to stop. We're not allowed to clean anything because it's got to be done by the insurance people. And apparently they've got to come take the roof off. So we're in for a relatively massive adventure. So I expect the next couple of videos to be about the whole shop renovation, clearing, removing, and who knows how long it's all going to take. I've got a little torch here to see if I can light up. If you see my selfie stick, let me know. All my grills got melted. Paint got melted on the Apache. So we'll have to repaint this guy as well. All my door panels, I had a whole box of carburetors, they all melted and gone. The wiring harness for my Mustang was there, that's gone. Oh, interior there is gone. Dash, cluster. The bonnet here is warped. Gonna need new bonnets, new fenders, new rear, new tailgate. I see the tailgates in there. Both my steering, the Apache steering column is gone. The other Ford steering column is gone. My Gladiator that I just painted, that's burnt to death. As you can see, it was just come out of paint. That's burnt to pieces. All the tires, the rims, gonna need a new diff. This one's gonna need a diff, tires, rewiring. Yeah, it's quite devastating so far, and I mean, everything is just covered in black, the whole shop. So the fact the whole shop didn't burn down is amazing, so we're quite grateful for that, but there's definitely a lot of stuff that got destroyed. As you can check, there's even all my aluminium parts and stuff just became puddles on the floor. Tail light's gone. All my power tools are full of black residue, so those motors are done. My welding machines are gonna have to be stripped, cleaned, opened. Chaos, man, chaos, absolute chaos. And this stuff is like, it's rubber, so it doesn't really just come off either. But as you can see, even the machines, everything. Windscreen cracked. Look at that. So yeah, we're gonna keep you posted what's going on. We're kind of closed right now because we're waiting for assessors and stuff. Look at the floor. My God, check down there. So yeah, we'll keep you guys posted. We'll be doing some videos on this. All the trucks are dirty. All the upholstery we have is black. The flag is totally destroyed because this stuff doesn't come out of fabric at all. It's stained, so the flag is now totally destroyed. We tried to clean the seats and stuff, but they all need to be redone again. The engines have all got black stuff in them. The turbos have all got black stuff in them, you know. So yeah, these motors here have all got black stuff in them. It's just everywhere, it's everywhere. Try to sweep the floor a bit so that we don't walk it out and back to our houses, but all my parts, all the new parts, the tanks, just everything, it's just insane. Stuff's everywhere. I did blow off the bonnet of this white one yesterday to see if we could clean it off. But if you blow it off, it doesn't come off. It actually stains the bonnet. Because it must have, it was probably hot when it landed, that's why. So, but anyway, quite a devastating way to arrive to work on a Monday morning. Especially considering we had just cleaned the whole shop and it was looking really awesome on Friday. And we were all looking forward to Monday because we could actually access so many of our projects for the first time. And yeah, and the new booth, I got the guys to sweep it out a bit yesterday just to avoid the floor getting too damaged and the new boards. But as you can see, it's black everywhere. Everywhere here is black. Stuff's just everywhere. Freshly primed trucks, black. So all these will have to be sanded back down again. Same with these here. The stuff's everywhere. It's inside the dash, inside the doors, inside the cab, all over the top. So all these will have to be sanded down again, cleaned up. Same, yeah, stuff. Look at what the motor looks like, all the black stuff inside. So yeah, we're in for a massive cleanup. This one, luckily, we had just washed and we're getting ready to deliver, and we covered it in plastic yesterday so it doesn't get any dirtier. But that's our week so far. It's not a very good one. But yeah, the reception and everything got destroyed as well. So, I mean, it's just absurd. We try to wipe down the walls just so, but I mean, look what the walls look like. The bathroom as well, so the kitchen, we try to clean it just so that we can use it while we're here. But yeah, we were lucky here. This door was closed, so nothing came in here. So this side is pretty much the only room that's clean. Everything else is like that. I mean, if you think about it. Where's my fucking flag, man? That's some #1 bullshit. Can't believe it's so dirty. Fucking fuming.
All right, well,
It's Friday the 13th today, and it's been what, 6 days since the fire. Managed to get all the insurance people out. Everybody's come to check it out. I look a little bit more civilized as well. Yeah, they came, checked the building out. Things are going to be a little bit crazy. We're definitely going to try to film the whole process for you, but it looks like we're probably going to have to move out for about a month or two so they can clean the building, sort the building out. So it's going to be interesting times, but keep an eye. Thank you for everyone who's been sending messages of support. We appreciate it. Thanks to our customers for being understanding with the situation that has happened. It's not something we planned either. And then, yeah, I'll show you one final look at the flames so you can see what happened before next week when we can start to clean up. So there we go, check. Gladiator that's just painted and melted, tires gone. The Bronco took some damage. Definitely got some new parts going to be coming in for this one to fix this one back up to original again. My grills got melted. So yeah, you can pretty much say farewell to this shop for a while. We'll definitely, like I say, we'll definitely seize the opportunity to record some footage for you guys so you can watch the cleanup process and everything else that's happening through the fire transition. My flag is as dirty as hell. I have to fix that. Excuse my rambling. I don't know what else to say, but it's been a hell of a week. Fire, everything. One of our good friends, a good mechanic friend of ours, passed away. So it's been a rough week. Happy to see the end of it today. Go to the office to what the stairs look like. See how dark it is even with the lights on. Everything's black. Look at the ceilings, the walls.